Okay, so Mr. Tan poured enough tap water into each saucepan shown below to ensure that the amount of water in each saucepan was the same. He put the saucepan on the liquid burner of the same size and covered one with the lid. The burners were turned on high, so a lot of heat coming from the burners into the pot of water. Mrs. Tan recorded the time taken by the water in saucepan A and saucepan B to boil on the graph. Okay, but when she plotted the graph, she made two errors, right? State and explain the two errors. Okay, so we need to look at the graph, we need to scrutinize the graph. We know that the graph is measuring temperature as heat is passed onto the pot of water. So it is measuring water and over a length of time. So it shows here that sauce A gets boils faster than saucepan B. Saucepan A, the water in saucepan A boils faster than the water in saucepan B. But and both of the lines start at 0 degrees, and so that would be our first mistake. The first mistake is that the water here, comes from the tap. It means it must be of room temperature, which is between 25 to 30 degrees. So, but the graph shows that both of them start at 0 degrees Celsius. Hence, it's the first error. The second error is the difference between the two cups. B has a cover. It means the heat would not be able to escape easily. The heat in the water would not be able to escape easily. It would return to the water. Whereas the heat in air would be able to escape into the surrounding air. Alright, so therefore, if heat here is able to escape and the heat here is not able to escape and return to the water, that means setup B will be heated up much faster than setup A, but the graph shows otherwise. Okay, so those are the two errors that you can say would be good answers to this question. So how do you put it down? You can say that the graph should not begin at 0 degrees Celsius. The temperature of tap water is not 0 degrees Celsius. Tap water is at room temperature. That's the first error. Okay, and the second error is that the lines, you can also say that the lines have been labeled incorrectly because the water in saucepan A should longer time to boil than the water in saucepan B, because heat can escape from saucepan A, whereas heat do not escape easily in saucepan B because of the lid. Okay, so these are two possible answers. This is the first part of the question. The second part of the question involves a change in the setup. So just let me arrange this. Okay, so in another experiment, Mrs. Tan placed the same type of egg in each saucepan and covered each of them with a lid. So this time both have lids. Both pans had enough water to cover the egg. To remove the pans and place them on different types of metal plates, as shown below, and turn on the heat. So if you use your observation skill, you'll see that one saucepan A is on a flat metal plate, whereas saucepan B is on a plate with a different shape with only some parts touching the metal plate. There are gaps in between. So that means there are more hot plate here touching pot A, whereas the metal plate here do not touch pot B in the entire surface area. So here has less surface area touching only pot B, whereas more space area touching pot A. So which egg would be cooked much faster? You know that air is back to heat, so the gaps would not allow the heat to be transferred, but the part which touches the surface of the water would be helping the heat transfer. Whereas for B, the entire surface will be transferring heat to. So if it would be much faster, the answer would be the 8 in pot A. Right? So how do you write this down as an answer? You can say that egg in saucepan A, right? Because saucepan A has flat metal plate which has more surface area in contact with the heat, right? So that more heat can be transferred. So heat cannot escape. So this is the reason why the answer is like that. Alright, so I'm so sorry. This is wrong. It should be like that. There should not be any marks here. If you just say egg in saucepan A, you won't be getting marks. For you to get the marks, you need to explain why. In this case, the surface area that is in contact with the heated plate would be the main answer. Okay, thank you very much.